Why you should use iodine for teeth and gums if you want to reverse cavities. It may sound a bit crazy, but iodine is a very important trace mineral required to carry out essential functions in our bodies relating to physical and mental development. It's probably the least understood mineral out of all of them. People usually think of thyroid overstimulation or permanent staining. One particular study, written in the Journal of Pediatric Dentistry, looked at the effectiveness of iodine in preventing early childhood cavities. They used a 10% solution of iodine and applied it directly onto the teeth and gums of 83 healthy children, free of cavities, aged between 12 to 19 months. They were given a bottle of drink other than water just before bedtime. The iodine solution was applied to the teeth of 39 children every 2 months, while the other 44 control subjects were given unsweetened tea. After the 12-month study was concluded, researchers found that 91% of subjects who received the iodine solution were free of cavities, compared with 54% of the control subjects. What this study shows is iodine is efficient in combating early childhood cavities. Iodine is a powerful bactericidal. It has the ability to kill bacteria instantly. The effect is immediate, and the best thing about it is its excellent penetrability into dental plaque. All these properties combined make it an important product for oral use. One particular research paper carried out by Gibbons and Caulfield showed that a single 2 minutes application of 2% iodine solution destroyed streptococci from different areas of the teeth for up to 13 weeks. How much iodine is required for healing teeth? That totally depends on age range. For children between 3 to 5 years of age, should give them 1 drop of 2% Lugol's iodine solution per day. 5 to 9 years olds can apply 2 drops. 9 to 16 years olds can apply 4 drops. Dosage for people over 16 can range from 12.5 to 300 milligrams. The wide range is because people have different health complications, weight problems, etc. We recommended you start on a low dosage and work your way up to your personal optimum level. How to apply the iodine solution? The 2 most common ways people like to use the iodine are: first, carefully apply 1 to 2 drops directly on the affected teeth and leave it on there for a minimum of 2 minutes before rinsing your mouth out with water. Second, get a Q-tip and soak it in the iodine solution and gently brush it onto the target area and leave it on for a few minutes. Which iodine formula is best? The Lugol's 2% is the most recommended by people who have already used it. Lugol's contains 6.3 mg of molecular iodine per drop. The formula is 85% distilled water, 10% potassium iodine, and 5% elemental iodine. This makes it effective, yet not too overpowering. Don't forget to take selenium. Iodine and selenium make a powerful team, but it's likely that you are deficient in this mineral as well. Taking iodine without selenium will not give the results you want. You need both working together to make it an effective treatment. Selenium is a necessary component of the enzymes that remove iodine molecules for T4, converting it into T3. Without selenium, there would be no activation of the thyroid hormone. Okay, you just learned why you should use iodine for teeth and gums. Was this valuable to you so far? Do you feel like you will get better gains from this point forward? If so, my question to you: what if there was an even quicker way to do it? If your answer is yes, then go to www.myteeth whiteningexperts.com/iodine to learn a powerful treatment to get healthy gums and teeth all naturally from home. Or click the link in the description below. So start today, turn these remedies into action, and thank yourself later. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video of some use to yourself, please share, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.